Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Chittagong Engineering University School and College Online Classroom. I am Kamran Nahar, Assistant Teacher, Chittagong Engineering University School and College, Chuet, Raujan, Chattogram. Dear students of Class 3, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am here with your Chapter 7, Protecting Our Environment Against Pollution. I will discuss all the CV in this chapter. At first, have a look on the pollutions, pictures of pollutions. There are 5 types of pollutions. They are air pollution, sound pollution, water pollution, rubbish pollution, earth pollution. You know, these type of pollution are hampering our environmental balance, and it is making our life difficult and creating different problems. Let's have a look on the effects of environmental pollution in pictures. There are 3 pictures. You can see the greenish and clean environment. In the on the other side there is polluted environment. In another picture there is the river is polluted with different things, and the sea also polluted from different things. And another picture you can see roads goes away in through the jungle or forest, which is made by clearing forest. That causes deforestation. In another picture there is a bridge over a river, which also threatens the natural beauty of river. So, dear students, I will discuss today the CV of chapter 7. You are eagerly waiting for these answers. Hope you will enjoy it. Dear students, our first question, A number was, what is called environmental pollution? Write 5 causes of environmental pollution. You know, contamination and addition of harmful substances into the environment is called environmental pollution. That means harmful things adding to the environment, which creates pollution. There are 5 causes of environmental pollution. They are smoke, dust causes air pollution. You know, many vehicles creates smoke, and we create also dust that causes air pollution. Sewage flows into water bodies causes water pollution. You know, our drain contains various polluted water which meets the rivers or water bodies and creates water pollution. Overuse of chemicals and pesticides polluting soil pollution. You know, we use lots of chemical fertilizer to grow crops or grow more crops. That causes earth pollution or soil pollution. Loud noise in roads and places using mics and loudspeaker or loud music causes sound pollution. You know, all the time we use loud noise, we use loud music, and also we use various kinds of mics in different programs. That causes sound pollution. Careless litter and waste causes rubbish pollution. We throw our garbage or litters here and there. We don't throw the garbage or waste in proper place. That's why our rubbish polluted the environment. The number B was write the names of environmental pollution. Mention 5 effects of environmental pollution. So, the name of the environmental pollution are air pollution, water pollution, earth pollution, sound pollution, rubbish pollution. You know these names previous picture. The results or effects of environmental pollution are given below. Air pollution causes different diseases like asthma, lung cancer, allergies. You know, we are suffering from many diseases due to air pollution. We are suffering from asthma or breathing problem, lung cancer, allergies for air pollution. Water pollution causes death of fish, increases disease like diarrhea, typhoid, jaundice. You know, many people affected with diarrhea, typhoid or jaundice because of water pollution. And in polluted water causes death of fish also. Earth pollution causes poor harvest. You know, we use lots of chemical fertilizer to grow more crops, but at the large amount, if we use large amount of chemical fertilizer, then it could cause poor harvest. Sound pollution causes headache and loss of hearing. So, sound pollution is very much harmful for our mental health and physical health also. That causes headache and loss of hearing. Rubbish pollution damage to nature of our surrounding. You know, we don't like to see rubbish here and there. It hampers our daily nature or surroundings of our nature. Number C, who are responsible for environmental pollution mostly? Write 2 names of man-made pollution. Write 4 steps to stop environmental pollution. Let's have a look on the answer. People are mostly responsible for environmental pollution. How? You know, people create sound pollution, people create earth pollution, people create air pollution, people create water pollution. All the pollution causes due to people. So, people are mostly responsible for environmental pollution. 2 names of man-made pollution, sir. You know, all the pollutions happen due to people. That's why man-made pollutions are sound pollution, rubbish pollution, or any other. 4 steps to stop environmental pollution are, you know, environmental pollution harms our life and environment. So, we should stop this environmental pollution. So, let's have a look on the 4 steps to stop the environmental pollution. We should not spit, cough or excrete in open places. We should keep our houses and yard clean. We should not throw rubbish here and there. We should plant more trees. So, dear students, there are all the answers here, and I hope you will memorize all the answer by understanding this lesson. So, today our lesson is completed. That's all for today. Thank you all.